Welcome back to Twisted Works on TNT Genetics. We have another unboxing to do today, just like we have been seeing a lot lately. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll move the camera up. We got a Tacklife Rotary tool. Yeah, 80-piece kit, 80-plus piece kit, I believe it is. Haven't opened it yet. Pretty excited for this because you can do so many cool little things with it. It's a must-have in your workshop. The price, I think it was, yeah, it was $55.97 Canadian. On the US site, it's $44 US. The links will be down in the description, along with our other YouTube channels and links for Instagram and all that good crap. Hell yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so we have the Tacklife Rotary kit. Right off the bat, it's in a nice case. Another box for recycle. Opening up the case. Ooh. So this gizmo gadget here, we're taking out. Show you in a sec. You got your instructions, warranty. What was the warranty on it? I think it was 2-year warranty again, which ain't bad. 2-year, probably limited warranty, I'm guessing, because I can't remember. It is 135 watt, 10,000 RPM, up to 32,000 RPM. So you got a little, it can come out of it, eh? Your little thingamabobber. What the heck? Protective cover, I guess would be the right word to call it. You have your cutting guide. You have your auxiliary handle, which I don't know. But anyways, let's get to the main thing. Ooh, you have your, I don't know what the heck that is. It comes with a bunch of different items in here. I know it's like 25 cutoff wheels. Look how small these cutoff wheels. If you know grinders, let's take a look at this. It's like 25 probably equals one wheel. This little baby, little baby. I guess I don't need to put them back in plastic either. Oh, and so I got a mess to clean up. Ah, none hit the floor. That's the way to do it, guys. Okay. So you also got your sanding wheels. You got your buffing discs. You got like your little, oh son of a gun, wire wheel. You got your little diamond drill bits, diamond tip drill bits. You have your little sandpaper, which, you know, let's see. You could undo that screw on there if you guys can see. Slide your, oh, okay. You tighten that screw up, that'll hold your sandpaper. You got your grinding stones. There's a few different shapes in there. You got your tool for everything. It'll work on this. Yes, it will work on this. So I just gave it a twist, right? And now it's on there, but it's still loose. A little grinding stone by the looks of it, other bits and pieces. So not too shabby. Then you got the tool itself. Take all those wraps away. Oh, I found another grinding disc. I'll put you over there for now. I'm not really going to use this on anything right this second. I'm going to turn it on, let it run, show you guys. Oh yeah, extension cord plug in. Variable speed. Stupid stickers. variable speed here. That's how you can hang it up. You can hang it up from somewhere like so. There might be a different camera, guys. My GoPro ended up dying, so we're going to hook this up. We're going to try this out. So to hook it up, it comes with, I don't know what you call it, chuck or something. Oh, get it out of the container. A smaller piece. That button there stops it from spinning. Click on that. Pop that off. Pop that off. Hopefully you can see. Pop that out. Put that on. Put that back on. Not super tight yet. You have, I pull it out a little bit to help, and then stick it in, tighten it up. Should be snug, it shouldn't pull out. And you screw your piece on here. I find it easier to rotate it. Okay. Oh, gotta plug the tool in. Forgot about that. That's the biggest part here. Plug in. Electricity. Okay. Okay. Let's find something to do. So I got it hanging up there, as you can see. Just hung up with a chain. So you have your little piece with the sandpaper on. I put it on in the video, I didn't put it on tight, so now we're going to just twist it a few times, and that just expands the rubber so the paper won't come off. You get your piece here. You pop that in. Now remember that button I showed you on the device? You just click it down and twist it. Lock it in place. And then my device is on. And this hammer here, I've had this hammer for eons. Eons, like probably about 15, no, 20 years, 25 years. This will probably be a project refinishing this hammer anyways. There, now we're on full speed, so it shouldn't. Oh yeah, geez, eh? And it's good for curves. Like, go in. And now you find the shut off switch here somewhere. Take it down, get it down here. Same thing to unhook it. Hold the button, twist off. Pop that off. And then, so you can put your bits back in, you take off the smaller piece, you put on the bigger piece. You put your thingy back on, you put your other thingy back on. Put your sandpaper back on there. You lock it, you twist it, and then you can also use it as handheld, which using this, whatever you want to call it, seemed to be a lot easier. I can already tell you now. Yeah. There you guys have it. Nice and easy. Oh, look at it. It's shiny now. Big difference. Hell yeah, guys. Yeah, I'll probably do this as a refinishing when I don't have a video. Refinish an E-swing hammer. Old school, old school. Old school, guys. What is it now? I can't even read the bottom anymore. Good old framing hammer. Hell yeah, guys. That's going to be it for that video. Oh, sorry about the camera angle. I don't have the GoPro. Look at that. It's all whacked out. Hell yeah, guys. Make sure you have a great night, great morning, afternoon, day, whatever, wherever, whoever. And stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay doing what you love. Hell yeah. Cheers, y'all.